Okay.
New family member.
Okay. Now let's see how we open this.
Use your finger sabar ya kan,
half works half the time.
Nggak sabar nih, hey sudah malam bos.
Buka doang.
Udah lah buka doang.
Unboxing fullnya bes.
Masya Allah. Happy? Happy. Yeay. Apa itu? Masya Allah. Suka sayang?
Suka banget.
Alhamdulillah. Yeay. Anggota baru.
New family member. D-Grees Junior. Okay, so I'm still a bit sad that I lost my DJI Mini 2 a few months back. But yesterday, my wife got me a new drone. And it's this one, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This thing is like 5 years ahead in terms of technology, because I got the Mini 2 back in 2021, but it was out since end of 2020. So yeah, more or less 5 years of technology. Let's see what it got. So this is the box basically. I got the Fly More combo with 3 battery, not the plus one. So it's saying here I got 36 minutes times 3. This is what the packaging looks like. This one is only on the drone. They have like a bit of DJI Care refresh information on this one. Nothing on the top. At the bottom, because I live in the UAE, it has this thing for the registration. So I need to keep this one later on. And yeah, a bunch of specifications. Basically, these are the stuffs where it got registered in. And now let's see how it goes on the inside. Okay. Okay, it's a bit hard, but yeah. And it's opened. Let's see what it looks like when I open this. Okay. So before first use, scan with QR code, just watch video tutorials. And because this is a Fly More combo, it comes in a nice bag, bigger than the previous Mini 2 one for sure. Okay, let's see what it got in this one. Okay, nice bag. Oh, okay, has the strap handle, some stitches on the side. Yeah, all looking good. It's a bit different than the Mini 2s. The Mini 2s, they used to have a zipper on the side, maybe to put registrations and stuff, but yeah, this is looking nice. Yeah, let's see how this goes. I'll open this to get more space. It's open. Okay, seems like everything is here. Let's see what they got. Okay, places to put stuff. This is the controller. And this is the drone. This is the battery pack, the 3 batteries. And these are a bunch of accessories that we're gonna look around. Let's put the bag down. And let's see, starting from the drone. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's see. Oof. It's a nice looking drone. Has a battery. Still feels light. Okay, interesting on the prop guard. Okay. So yeah, no battery. Let's see how we open this. Okay. So that goes there, and then here. Okay. Ooh. Okay. A bunch more protection. So there's protection for the gimbal over here, of course. Protection for the props. Bye. Protection for the gimbal as well. Bye. Oof. Okay. This is really nice looking. Let's see how we open this. Okay. Now that is some nice looking. Oh! Yeah, this is what I heard. It automatically turned on with the gimbal starting to do the check. Really nice. This is what it looks like. From the back, there's the memory card slot. Okay, and then there's the LiDAR. And this is, I think, the bottom sensors. Ooh.
Connect to DJI Fly to activate aircraft.
Okay, need to activate it first. I haven't. Okay, let's turn this off first. As always, I think it's the same way. Yes, indeed. Now this is off. Let's see how this folded. I need to get used to folding this thing. But yeah, this is nice. Let's put it over here. Yeah, I'll move this first. Okay, now let's review the remote. Here it is, DJI RC2. Looks like a nice one. It's different than the ones I used to have before in the Mini 2. Let's see how it goes. For sure, this one has a screen, so it's really nice. If you look at it, standard buttons here, a bit different here. There's a capture. I don't know what this one. Yeah, 2 wheels now. And then, yeah, there's where you put the joystick. And there are 2 buttons over here, so it's different. Oh, this is different. You have a charging port, but this one is a memory card. I wonder what these 2 are, but yeah, let's see later. Okay, let's see. I'll get the joysticks. And let's put it in the front. I would say, let's have a field test. Oops. It's actually feeling really nice. Need to get used to this because yeah, the screen is here. Usually it's here. So yeah, it takes some getting used to. Let's try turning this on. Okay. Screen is nice and bright. I can hear a fan now. And there's no fan sound. No, there's a fan sound over here. It's actually nice. Okay, standard modes button. Yeah, Fly app is here. I don't have to install it anymore. Yeah, setup. I'm not gonna do this now, so I'll do it later. Okay, now it's off. Let's see how it goes. Okay, now it's there. Now let's see. This is the battery pack. It's a bit different now. It's smaller compared to the Mini 2s. So yeah, let's see. Okay, it's empty, but yeah, standard battery pack stuff. Yeah, let's arrange this a bit. Let's see what they have here in this box. Okay, cables. Type A, Type A, Type B, another B, another B, and an A. What is this one? Let's see. Ah, okay. And this is a manual book. Let's just put it here. This seems to be the filters, so I should be getting an ND filter on this one. Let's see what we got here. Okay, looking nice, DJI. Yep, filters, I got an ND8, ND32, and an ND128. So everything's here. Let's just move this here. Put this thing here. So here are all the things you're getting. Seems like there's a sticker. The rest might be like warranties and stuff. Okay, I'll make more videos on the other stuff, but here's your DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you buy it, you will get all these stuff. Oof, man, I can't wait. I need to get my license first because I haven't flown in a while. In Dubai, they changed the rules. So I'm gonna share more videos on that, so you know how to fly in Dubai and the designated fly areas, because it's very limited right now. But yeah, let me know questions in the comments. Thank you.